Okay, shovel number 2. It's around 11 or so. It's bright out. Hang on. Oh, buddy, careful. We'll see if the kid comes out. So I have not used this door yet. There's a lot of snow. Piles up. And steps are. There's the step. It's nice and fluffy still. Fluffy snow is better to show. Oh, look. Someone came out to play. I know it's getting deep, buddy. What are you going to do? Look at this. He's got snow on his back. I wanted to sit here and watch him, but I'm on a mission. Snow's getting pretty deep. Look how covered the bird bath is. Check out. Clear the snow away from my exhaust here. 1 second. Okay, now I won't suffocate my carbon monoxide. My kitty probably should first. Yep, he went under. I figured he would. He likes it in there. Okay, so here we go. Drift. Oh my goodness. So sad. So sad. So I cleared this morning. I didn't take a video of it, I just cleared it. Oh my gosh. I'm up to my knees. So I cleared this morning. And yeah, we're pretty much irrelevant. I mean, I can walk around my car, so that's good. Whoa, we've got some drifts going back here. Yeah, you can see my piles. But all this here, this white, beautiful snow, all the way to the road, all the way in a V kind of thing that way, was cleared out. And now it's, I don't know if you can't see my phone screen, so I don't know what I'm filming here. So it's about mid-calf right now. Way higher over here. Here's at my knee. You can see here it was very deep. Put the snow shovel back because shoveling it right now is pointless. And the snow is coming down hard and the wind is blowing. Yeah. Welcome to North Dakota. We're hardy folks here. Of course, I grew up in Southern California, San Fernando Valley, but this is not something one would expect or be used to. I love it though. My finger holding the phone is freezing. There's the kitty. Oh my goodness. Yes, he went under there and had fun. Oh, he loves it. He's obviously a native North Dakotan. Whoop, maybe not. Alright. Enough of this update. I'm going inside. Drop this bottom step so I remember it's there. Alrighty. Okay, this mess. Coming in, kitty. I bought a mat. Okay.